There is Corona Kavach policy. So the insurance regulatory of India has come up with this policy and it has mandated the general insurance, health insurance to provide this policy. So this policy covers medical expenses arising due to the coronavirus infections. It covers pre-hospitalization expenses, post-hospitalization expenses. If a person is infected with the COVID and he is taking a home treatment, then that is also covered. Ayush treatment, the Ayurvedic treatment in order to treat COVID-19 disease, that is also getting covered. It also covers comorbidity. In case the COVID results in additional complexities for an individual's health, then it also covers that. So this Corona Kavach policy is provides and is designed specifically to protect family and individuals in case a person or members of the families get infected due to the corona and they requires treatment, either home care treatment or a treatment in the hospitalization. And it also takes care of any comorbidities that may arise due to the infections of the corona. So one should also look at this policy in case if he or she feels that the basic mediclaim insurance that they are having is not sufficient or they need to add some more cushion in case a family becomes infected because of corona. It has individual as well as a floater claim. Then there is something called a top-up health insurance. Friends, as I stated, the medical costs are rising. And in case if you feel that the base insurance covers is not sufficient, then you can top up your base medical insurance. Top-ups are a smart way to manage the cost and get a higher sum assurance in the health insurance, right? It acts like a backup plan in case the best limit of your health insurance policy is exhausted. So example, let's say an individual is having a health insurance and which covers the financial cost up to the treatment of about rupees 3 lakhs. And if he exhausts that limit and his medical expenses becomes let's say 5 or 6 lakhs, then this top up comes into the picture where it will take care of that additional expenses that an individual may incur as a part of his medical treatment. It provides higher sum assured at the lower cost. It can be opted at an individual level or it can be opted at a family floater as well. And again, there are tax deduction available for the top-up plans under the section 80D. Of course, there are limits. You need to check with your tax consultant what are the limits, how much of amount is eligible as a part of tax exemption benefits. And it is definitely the better option to manage the high premiums because as I stated, this top-up is at the lower cost and it can provide you the cushion in case the base limit of the health insurance policy is exhausted. Comparison of health insurance. So friends, while selecting the health insurance provider, you need to consider below aspects. The first aspect is pre-existing condition coverage and tenure. Pre-existing diseases like diabetes or heart-related diseases or any other diseases, right? They may not get covered in the initial durations of the policies. Some of the insurers may not cover the expenses arising due to this pre-existence for 1 year, 2 years. Some insurers may be not covering for the 3 years or so. So you understand what are the pre-existing conditions are there and for what tenure those diseases, the treatment for those diseases is not covered. Again, maternity and newborn, what is the waiting period? How much is the cover that is being provided, right? What are the benefits for the newborn? So these are also the aspects that you need to look into. Pre and post hospitalization, or how many days post hospitalization and how many days pre hospitalization, the cover is being provided. Most insurers provided 1 month pre hospitalization cover and 2 months post hospitalization cover, but you need to check. You also need to check the senior citizens plans. What is the entry age? What is the copay? Copay is basically the amount that you need to pay as a part of your medical treatment. So for example, if your copay is 20%, right? So insurer will pay 80% of your medical treatment, whereas you need to pay 20% of your medical treatment. In case of the senior citizens, this copay may be higher. So while selecting the plans for the senior citizens, one must check what is the copay percent. One must also check what are the pre-existing diseases waiting period. This is more important for the senior citizens. What is the entry age, right? What is the maximum insurance cover that is being offered to the senior citizens? And the insurers provided the free health checkups. They're called as a preventive health checkups, basically. So as a part of that, you can get medical investigations done, right? And they check what is the free health checkup frequency there, what is the amount that they are covering, up to what age or from what age it is applicable. So these are the various factors one must look when he is trying to purchase the health insurance from the insurance service provider. So friends, with this, we come to the end of this video. So we saw the importance of the insurance. We saw what are the different kind of insurances are. We saw what is meant by health insurance. In today's situation of the pandemic, what one must consider when he wants to purchase the insurance? Why the insurance is must? What are the different factors one must take into consideration while purchasing health insurance from a health insurance service provider? And again, before ending this video, I sincerely urge you to look at your health insurance policies. If you don't have health insurance policies, you must take one today. As one of the slide we saw, almost 80% of the India doesn't have health insurance. We are grossly underpenetrated when it comes to the health insurance. So in order to provide financial cushion in case of medical treatments, one must have health insurance. Don't neglect that. Don't think that nothing will happen to you. You are healthy, so you don't need these insurances. Please remove those misconceptions from your head and try thinking on this. Have a good day, and we'll come back next week with another topic.